Older men declare war, but it is youth that must fight and die. Children are our greatest natural resource. Blessed are the young, for they shall inherit the national debt. About the time we think we can make ends meet, somebody moves the ends. All men are equal before fish. Words without actions are the assassins of idealism. The only problem with capitalism is the capitalists. Be patient and calm. No one can catch fish in anger. Wisdom consists not so much in knowing what to do in the ultimate as knowing what to do next. My country owes me nothing. It gave me, as it gives every boy and girl, a chance. It gave me schooling, independence of action, opportunity for service and honor. Thank God she doesn't have to be confirmed by the Senate on the birth of his granddaughter. There are things in the world that cannot be brought about. There are mistakes that cannot be repaired. But there is one thing sure, that loyalty and friendship are the most precious possessions a man can have. Economic depression cannot be cured by legislative action or executive pronouncement. The only trouble with capitalism is capitalists. They're too damned greedy. Children are our most valuable resource. No one ever listened themselves out of a job. Doctors think a lot of patients are cured who have simply quit in disgust. I'm the only person of distinction who's ever had a depression named after him. Leadership cannot be created synthetically. Men must be what they were made by the Almighty, or the American people will find them out in time. America, a great social and economic experiment, noble in motive and far-reaching in purpose. Fishing is much more than fish. It is the great occasion when we may return to the fine simplicity of our forefathers. I am sure I'd have made a better all-around man if I hadn't lost so much time just making a living. We have gold because we cannot trust governments. One has to bear in mind that one of the tactics of revolution is to destroy one's predecessors in authority at any cost or hazard. There are some principles that cannot be compromised. Either we shall have a society based upon ordered liberty and the initiative of the individual, or we shall have a planned society that means dictation no matter what you call it or who does it. There is no halfway ground. They cannot be mixed. The wreckage of representative government is strewn with broken promises. We in America today are nearer to the final triumph over poverty than ever before. There is no economic failure so terrible in its import as that of a country possessing a surplus of every necessity of life, in which numbers willing and anxious to work are deprived of dire necessities. It simply cannot be if our moral and economic system is to survive. Dear viewer, which famous and successful celebrities' quotes do you like the most? Tell me in the comment. For more different quotes, Subscribe to the channel All World Quotes. Thank you so much.